Hey guys, welcome to Coffee Talk, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how to make the most out of your hotel stays. Now many people don't worry about points and the miles accrual system of hotels, and that is a major problem, yeah, because what you're doing is essentially you are paying for something that you can benefit twice from. There are two ways of going about this. There's one way where you go through the hotel website directly, and there's another way if you use third-party booking websites such as booking.coms, hotels.com, and so on. So I'm going to illustrate some things for you guys, and hopefully I share a little bit of my info to you, and maybe this can help you in the future when you're booking hotels. So there are three major branded hotels in the world, and you'll find these hotels anywhere in the world, regardless of where you go. So we have, first is the Hilton, and this is the Hilton chain does not only have Hilton hotels. They have about, I think, around 10 or 11 different subcategories, and those hotels vary in terms of the star ratings and whatever it is. And then you have Marriott, as well as IHG. If you look at Marriott has Starwood Preferred Guest, which they just bought. They bought Ritz, and they have a lot of cheaper options, which are great. And if you're on a budget, that's fantastic. I mean, you can go for any one of these three, but the cheapest is IHG, which have Holiday Inn and Holiday Inn Express. Obviously, the more expensive ones in the IHG brand are Crown Plaza and Intercontinental. But these are the three main hotel brands, yeah. Okay, so you can book your hotels from these websites. That's fine, and you'll get their points. Yes. Now with these points here, you can use them to upgrade. So if you basically take 10 nights at a Hilton anywhere in the world, you can use those points to upgrade at your next stay or whatever it is. Those points actually benefit you. And so on with Marriott and IHG. Hilton is obviously Hilton Honors, Marriott is Marriott Rewards, and IHG has their own point system as well. Okay, so these are the three. These are the three hotel brands, and there are other hotel brands, but these are the major ones that you generally find everywhere in the world. Okay, moving on to the third-party booking sites. Yeah, so you have the three main ones, in my opinion, are bookings.com, hotels.com, and Kayak. I mean, there's Expedia, there's Agoda, there's a ton amount, but the main ones are these. So if you look at booking.com, you can book a lot of different hotel brands with booking.com. And when you just say, if you book a Hilton, for example, if you book a Hilton in New York on booking.com, you will not receive Hilton Honors points. You will receive the booking.com program. So the booking.com program is basically, it's called, you can reach to a level of where you have booked many times on the website, and you reach a level of genius. So this is genius. Sorry, my writing is not that good. And hotels.com, they give you an incentive, and they give you your 10th night for free, and so on. Kayak is so on. I don't really use this, but this is a major one. But anyway, these two will do just fine, and they encompass all the hotel brands in the world, even including Hilton, Marriott, and IHG. They generally are cheaper than the hotel rates themselves. Now if we look here, yeah, so we're just going to make a graph, and we're just going to make a separation, and we're going to put here from the hotel website and from third party. Okay, so sorry about that. So if we book a hotel for 10 days in New York, and if we book it from the Hilton hotel, for example, from the Hilton website, we will get Hilton Honors points. And we should stick to Hilton then in a lot of other cities, so we can accumulate points to get free stays, to get honest discounts and whatever you have. Third-party websites such as hotels.com are extremely cheap and a lot cheaper than hotels and hotel separate brand websites, but they do not give you the Hilton I just need to figure this out. Yeah, so they do not give you they do not give you the points of your hotel, your specific branded hotel. So if you book Hilton on a third-party website like booking.com or hotels.com, you aren't going to receive the Hilton Honest points. So that's the catch. So you can either get the Hilton Honest points or choose to get your 10th night free. Now, many people don't really understand that, and they chop and change depending on where they are and for what reason they're going for and how they book. But anyway, I wanted to advise you guys that you should be gaining as much as you can whenever booking at a hotel. So what I personally prefer is that I look for normally my rooms at my most extreme range is anything from $90 to $100. I do not go over this, and wherever I find it cheaper in the hotel that I like in the city, I would just take that and then hopefully get my miles from my points from the individual hotel websites or the 10th night free from hotels.com. Another thing is booking.com give you with their Genius product, they give you a 15% discount, late checkout, as well as maybe a free drink when you check in or whatever it is. But I mean, all of this tends to add up anyway, and they're not that cheap in a sense that you'll always get your 15% discount. You may not, it just depends on the hotel. And it takes you a bit of time to reach Genius status. I'll make a separate video on booking.com and hotels.com. But for now, this is just the basics, and you should choose whether you want to use third-party websites or individual hotel branded websites, and just see where you want to get points in. The last thing you want to do is have many points everywhere. That means you are not gaining anything. So if you do stick to hotels.com, I think stick with them and you'll get your 10th night free, which is the average of the 9 nights, and they give you your 10th night free. And it really does work. It's not a scam or anything like that. There's no other like terms and conditions that is hidden and whatever it is. But also, if you have like an SPG membership, then why not go for it? An SPG is linked to Marriott. So last year, 2018, Marriott bought Starwood Preferred Guest, and this encompasses like 5-star hotels in almost every major city in the world, as well as going down to 4 to 3-star, and they can be really highly priced and they can be very reasonable. So you have to do your own homework. Okay guys, so that's all from me today. I'm gonna make another video of how to get the cheapest rate online. This has to do with your cookies and how you search the web in general. Please look out for my other video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more like this. Leave your comments and your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.